Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW 3 Series battery safely and efficiently. Before starting, prioritize your safety. Always wear protective eyewear and rubber gloves to prevent injury. Make sure you are in a well-ventilated space to avoid inhaling any battery fumes. Have your 10mm and 13mm wrenches, along with a Phillips head screwdriver, ready for the task. First, open your trunk and locate the battery, which is usually on the right side, beneath the floor cover or upholstery. Carefully remove any trunk liners or covers to fully expose the battery. Once visible, use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any accidental electrical shorts or damage to your vehicle's system. After the negative terminal is safely disconnected and moved aside, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal using your 10mm wrench. Next, locate and remove the battery hold-down bracket, which typically uses a 13mm bolt. Once the bracket is off, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, so use proper lifting techniques to avoid injury. Now, carefully place your new battery into the compartment and secure it firmly with the hold-down bracket. Reconnect the positive terminal first, tightening it with your 10mm wrench, then connect the negative terminal. Some BMW models require battery registration after replacement. Consult your owner's manual for details. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your newly powered BMW.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.